In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Tasks List. If you've ever tried to collaborate in Google Tasks, you've probably noticed there's no share button like in Google Docs or Sheets. That's because Google Tasks is designed primarily for personal to-do lists. There isn't a built-in way to share a list with someone else or manage permissions. But don't worry. There are a few practical workarounds that let you collaborate effectively without changing tools. The best approach is to use Google Chat with a space. Open Google Chat, create a space for the people you're working with, and then head to the Tasks tab inside that space. From there, add tasks just like you would in Google Tasks and assign them to specific people in the space. When you assign a task, it appears in the assignee's Google Tasks as well as in the space, and updates happen in real time. If someone completes a task or edits details like the due date, everyone in the space sees the change immediately. This keeps your group aligned without needing a shared list feature. Tip: give your space a clear name and use concise task titles so they're easy to scan on mobile and desktop. Another solid option is to assign tasks directly from a Google Doc. Open a doc, highlight the text that describes the task, add a comment, and assign it to the right person. This creates an actionable task that appears in both your Google Tasks lists, linking back to the exact place in the document for context. It's perfect when your tasks come from meeting notes, project outlines, or checklists you're drafting together. Keep the comment concise, set a due date if needed, and the assignee will see it alongside their other tasks. If you just need to show someone your list without collaboration, share it manually. Copy and paste your tasks into an email or chat message, or take a quick screenshot. This won't sync with your actual list, but it's fast and simple for one-off updates or status checks. A few limitations to keep in mind. There are no true real-time shared lists in Google Tasks, no multi-user editing within a single personal list, and no granular viewer or editor permissions. Think of Google Tasks as a personal organizer that can connect to teamwork through chat spaces and Google Docs, rather than a full team task manager. Use these methods to match your needs. Chat spaces for active collaboration, Docs for tasks tied to content, and manual sharing for quick visibility. That way, you'll get the benefits of coordination without fighting the tool's design.